We have already seen that by using Kirchhoff's circuit laws, we have calculated currents and voltages in a network. Circuit may be linear or non-linear, but Telegen's theorem is applicable to that circuit where KVL and KCL can be implemented. Telegen's theorem states that at any instant of time, the sum of power for all the branches in any network equals to 0. To prove the Telegen's theorem, we have considered this circuit. And according to Telegen's theorem, we have considered summation of powers for these 4 branches. Thus, summation of power is equal to V0 I0 plus VR I1 plus VL I2 plus VC I3, which gives this equation. As I0 is flowing from this node to that node, that's why we have considered 0 as positive and VA as negative. So V0 equal to 0 minus VA. Similarly, maintaining the current direction, that is direction for I1, we can say that VR equals to VA minus VB. Similarly, VL equals to VB minus 0. That means current is flowing from this node to 0 potential node. That's why here VB is greater than that of 0. Again, VC equals to VB minus 0. Now by simplifying, we can get this equation. Now applying KCL at that node, we can write I0 minus I1 equal to 0. Similarly, by applying KCL at this node, we can write plus I1 minus I2 minus I3 equals to 0. Thus, minus I1 plus I2 plus I3 equals to 0. Now, from this equation, we can get this quantity is 0 and this quantity is 0. So, from this equation, we can get summation of all the powers equals to 0. So, that is the Telegen's theorem.